Good morning, dear students. Hello, how are you? Welcome to computer class. And today we'll start our chapter number 2 and I will cover till page number 12. Okay. Uh, see the name of the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Windows 7. Okay. And you have learned in class 3rd Introduction to Windows 7. So what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system which controls all the working of a computer. Okay. You know that computer system consists of hardware and software. Okay. आपको पता है कि कंप्यूटर सिस्टम हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर को मिला के बना होता है. ओके. देन व्हाट इज हार्डवेयर? Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer like monitor, keyboard, mouse and etc. Okay. So in other words, we can say कि all the parts of the computer which we can see or touch are known as hardware. Okay. On the other hand, software is a set of programs or commands that controls the working of a computer system. Okay. And software are of two types: application software and the system software. Okay. Application software are programs that are installed according to our needs. Okay. As per our requirement, we install the computer programs in the computer for working purpose like Paint, Notepad and WordPad. These programs are especially designed for one task only. Okay. You can do only one kind of work on a particular program. Like you can see the example of Paint. In MS Paint, you can only draw and color. In the Notepad, you can write, you cannot calculate. Okay. And on the other hand, system software are programs that controls and operate the computer hardware. So system software are the programs which controls all the functions and the hardware part of the computer. And operating system is the example of a system software. An operating system works as a bridge between software and hardware. Means an operating system works as a bridge. What do you mean by bridge? आप लोगों ने देखा होगा व्हाट इज ब्रिज, हिंदी में आप उसको पुल बोलते हैं. तो पुल का काम क्या होता है? इट कनेक्ट्स द टू बैंक्स ऑफ द रिवर और द टू एंड्स ऑफ द रिवर. तो इससे क्या होता है, जब पुल बन जाता है तो क्या होगा, इजिली people can move from one end to other end. Okay. In the same way, operating system helps software and hardware to communicate with each other. Okay. When we give an instruction through software, it is passed on to the operating system, that is OS. Okay. When we give any type of instruction, that directly goes to operating system, and then operating system decides where to send that instruction and how the work can be done in a best possible way. Okay. Thus OS manages the working of the hardware and software of a computer. The most commonly used operating system is Windows. Okay. So nowadays most of the computer are using Windows operating system because it is very easy to learn and it is graphical user interface. All the things are in the form of pictures, you can easily learn. Okay. Some other examples are Linux and Unix. Okay. Some other examples are Linux operating system and Unix. Let us study about Windows. Okay. Now see the Windows desktop. Your heading is Windows desktop. You know what is Windows desktop? When you start your computer, after some time you will get a first screen on the monitor. Okay. So the screen which you get after booting or the starting of a computer is known as Windows desktop. Okay. When we switch on the computer, it starts booting. Booting means starting of a computer. After the booting process is completed, means the operating system gets loaded into the memory of the computer. The Windows desktop appears on the monitor screen. Okay. So in short, we can say the first screen which we will get after starting of a computer is known as Windows desktop. A Windows desktop and its parts are shown below in the figure. You can see the picture of the Windows desktop, and from the left hand side, I am explaining you. You are seeing some pictures on the left hand side of the screen. Okay, or Windows desktop. These are desktop icons and shortcuts. Okay, so what are desktop icons? They are merely a shortcut to reach a particular program or a फाइल. किसी फाइल और प्रोग्राम को फास्ट तरीके से खोलने का ये आपका एक शॉर्टकट होता है. ओके, नाउ कम डाउन, you will see at the left bottom corner you will see a start button, and these are taskbar icons, and this from here to last this is taskbar, and the next is your system tray, and right hand side you will find some gadgets on the screen like clock and calendar. Okay, so these are the few parts of a desktop screen. Now changing desktop background. How we can change the desktop background or a wallpaper or a picture of the desktop. Okay, a desktop background or the wallpaper. So wallpaper is the another name for desktop background. Okay, is the background picture of the Windows desktop. It is the background picture of the desktop background, and you can change it according to your taste. You can choose and set a picture of your choice as a desktop background. Below are the steps to change the desktop background. Okay, one by one we will see how to change the desktop background. Step 1, you have to right click on the desktop, click on personalize. When you right click on the desktop, right click करोगे तो आपका एक मेन्यू निकल के आएगा. वहाँ से आपको क्या लेना है? You have to choose personalize option. Then from the personalize window opens. Click on desktop background. आपको desktop background पर click करना है. Select the picture location. Okay, you have to select the picture from the location which picture you want to see as a desktop background. Click on the background picture from any of the categories. You will see many pictures are available, and as per your choice or taste you can select the picture and choose the picture position and click on save changes button. As soon as you click on save changes button, what will happen? Automatically your wallpaper or the desktop background picture will be changed. Okay, your desktop background picture will be changed to the picture chosen by you. Okay, the picture which you selected will be set as desktop. Now changing window color means changing the theme of the window. Window color is the color of taskbar, start menu and borders of an open window. ओके, तो विंडो कलर क्या है? आपका टास्कबार का कलर चेंज होगा, स्टार्ट मेनू चेंज होगा, एंड बॉर्डर्स ऑफ एन ओपन विंडो. जो विंडो ओपन है उनका आपका कलर चेंज होगा. सो बिलो आर सम स्टेप्स टू चेंज द विंडो कलर. फर्स्ट वन इज राइट क्लिक ऑन द ब्लैंक एरिया ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप. अगेन द सेम प्रोसेस. क्लिक ऑन पर्सनलाइज. द पर्सनलाइज विंडो विल अपीयर एंड यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन विंडो कलर option. Okay, and you have to choose a color. Click on enable transparency if you want to color to be transparent. If you want to make your color transparent, you can choose the enable transparency option and drag the bar on the color intensity to make the color lighter or darker. You may make the color lighter or darker with the color intensity option and click on save changes button. and as soon as you click on save changes, the color of the taskbar, start menu and borders and of an open window will be changed. Okay, now next is setting a screensaver. Okay, and this is today's last topic. uh, okay, what is a screensaver? Screensaver क्या होता है? What is a screensaver? So sometimes क्या होता है, when you are working on a laptop or a computer, you move from away from the computer or laptop for some work, for some urgent work. आपको कहीं जाना है, आप कंप्यूटर ऑन करके चले जा रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या होता है कभी कभी जब आप कुछ देर के लिए 5 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स 15 मिनट्स के लिए आप नहीं आ रहे लौट के, मीन्स कोई भी एक्टिविटी कंप्यूटर पे नहीं हो रही है, ना माउस को हिलाया जा रहा है, ना कोई बटन प्रेस हो रहा है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होगा, द स्क्रीन विल बी डीएक्टिवेटेड। आपकी स्क्रीन क्या हो जाएगी, ब्लैक हो जाएगी बिल्कुल, उस पर कुछ नहीं दिखाई देगा। तो इस समय क्या होता है कभी कभी कि आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स में या कोई भी आपका भाई है बहन है फैमिली मेम्बर में, वो आप देखेंगे कंप्यूटर आपका यूपीएस से ऑन है, लेकिन उन्हें ये नहीं पता है कि कंप्यूटर रनिंग कंडीशन में, वो डायरेक्टली ऑफ भी कर सकते हैं। तो इससे क्या होगा, आपका कंप्यूटर में डैमेज, कंप्यूटर आपका ख़राब हो सकता है। इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, स्क्रीन सेवर का यूज़ करते हैं। स्क्रीन सेवर क्या होता है, वेन एवर screen saver is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time. Screen saver कब एक्टिवेट होता है, it is a still or a moving picture, it can be both. Still means बिल्कुल पिक्चर जैसा दिखाई देगा, या मूविंग पिक्चर भी हो सकता है। और ये कब आपका एक्टिवेट होगा, जब आपका कीबोर्ड या माउस काफ़ी समय से, थोड़ी समय से आपका टच नहीं हुआ है। ओके, सो सी द स्टेप्स of to set the screensaver. Right click on the desktop, click on personalize. Okay, you have to click on personalize button. In the personalize window, screensaver option is there, and choose a screensaver. There are few screensavers are available in Windows 7. You can choose the screensaver and you can set the time. Okay, you can set the time, say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, means whatever time you will set, after that time if your computer is idle means आपका कंप्यूटर खाली है, आप you are not working on the computer, after that set time the screensaver will be activated. Okay, and click on OK button. Okay, the moment we touch the keyboard or the mouse, और स्क्रीन सेवर आपका चल रहा है, आप कहीं से वर्क करके आ गए हैं, और क्या होगा, एज सुन इज यू प्रेस एनी बटन और कीज ऑन द कीबोर्ड और यू टच द माउस, व्हाट विल हैपन, द स्क्रीन सेवर विच वाज ऑन द स्क्रीन गेट डिसअपियर्स, एंड पीपल यूज स्क्रीन सेवर फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट एंड सिक्योरिटी पर्पज. Okay, what is security purpose? Means you can set the screensaver with a password also. Okay, so nobody can enter into your computer. So students, this was for today's class only, and thank you for your class. Okay, and rest of the second part I will send you in my next video. Okay, thank you very much.